Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make double lines arrow, double line shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu and choose the line shape. You can draw the line shape horizontally or vertically. Now I am draw the line shape horizontally. Press and hold the shift on our keyboard and draw the line shape perfectly. Then go to the shape format menu. Select the format shape option. Then go to the line option. Select the fill and select the line option. Then you can change the color. Now I am select the color red. You can increase the white. Now I am increase the white. Then we go to the compound type option and make the line double. Then you can increase the white again to see the line betterly. Now we can see we make double line shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.